This is a one-pan chicken dinner that is quick, easy, and delicious. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a chicken asparagus pasta dinner. I already have my chicken cooked. I'm using 1 pound of ground chicken that I cooked and seasoned with some salt, black pepper, and a little garlic powder. You can cook some boneless chicken breasts or thighs and use the same pan to finish this recipe, or even use some leftovers from a rotisserie chicken. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding in a couple tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of finely diced onions, 1 stalk of celery, 1 cup of mushrooms, and a pinch of salt. Cooking and stirring for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the mushrooms release their moisture and the liquid is cooked down. This is 4 cloves of minced garlic. Cooking and stirring for a minute, and then I'm adding in 1 small can of diced tomatoes, and then I'm stirring to combine. Here I have 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, and this will help flavor and thicken our sauce. Stirring and cooking for a couple minutes. For the liquid, I'm adding in 2 cups of chicken broth and 1 cup of milk. I'm turning my heat up to bring this up to a simmer. To season, I'm making it simple, and I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of Italian seasonings. This is a combination of herbs that include oregano, marjoram, thyme, basil, rosemary, and sage, so we are getting a lot of flavor in this seasoning. Giving that a good stir, bringing up to a simmer, and cooking for 10 to 15 minutes. The sauce will reduce a bit and thicken some. This is about 1 cup or 6 to 8 stalks of asparagus, and you can add more if you like. Adding in my cooked ground chicken, giving that a good stir and tasting for any seasonings. I am adding a little more black pepper, bringing this up to a simmer, and the asparagus will take about 5 minutes to cook. And finally, I'm adding in a ½ pound of cooked penne pasta. You can use any pasta that you like. Stirring to get all that pasta covered with that delicious sauce that we just made, and we are ready to eat. This chicken asparagus pasta recipe is so easy and versatile. You can use leftover chicken, add the seasonings, and use the pasta that you like. It's easy on the budget and will feed a hungry family. Serving tonight with a side of garlic bread and topping with a little grated Parmesan cheese. I hope you give this one-pan chicken asparagus pasta recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!